ginkumpirma ni senior trial lawyer Julian Nichols nga target sang prosecution team nga magpresenta sang 60 tubtob 70 ka testigo sa trial ni anay President Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court. Sa nauna nga filing, ginsiling sang ICC Office of the Prosecutor nga tuyo sini nga magsalig sa mga ebidensya sang ginabanta 60 tubtob 70 witnesses sa trial nga subject sa dugang nga investigasyon kag potential addition sang witnesses. Ini nagalakip sang 31 ka insider witnesses, 17 crime-based witnesses kag 12 witnesses nga makapathag sang background kag mga elementos sang krimen. Ang prosecutor tuyo nga magpatawag sang 25 tubtob 30 sang sini nga witnesses agud maghatag sang viva voce o kana verbal testimony sa tion sang trial. Ang iba naman nga witnesses ang iga-representar paagi sa ICC's Rule 68 nga nagatugot sa pag-introduce sang nauna na nga recorded audio o kon video testimony sang witness o kon ang transcript sang iban nga documented evidence sang amo nga testimonya.
Does anything anybody else wants to say? No. And that's the number of witnesses. The prosecution, Mr. Nichols, it's paragraph 6, thinks that you want to, the prosecution intends to call 60 to 70 witnesses, including approximately 31 insider witnesses. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor. I think
I'm looking at paragraph 6 of your submissions.
Yes, I think we can rely on our submissions for this question unless you have any other follow-up.
Nagbayag naman sang kabalaka si Presiding Judge Joanna Corner kaangot sa 197 o sa 197 ka testimonya nga ginahanda sang prosecution batok kay anay President Rodrigo Duterte. Suno kay Corner, sobrang numero sang mga testimonya, ilabi na kung pare-pareho lamang ang kaundan sang mga ini. Samtang ginathag naman ni senior trial lawyer Julian Nichols nga mahimo pa nga mabuhinan ng numero sang mga ipresentar nga testimonya.
Let me just go through that. You say you're currently, the OTP is currently in the process of determining the overall. Yes, you've got 619 items. Wait a minute, this is paragraph 13. Oh yes, it's it's the speeches. That's right. I want to query with you. 197 speeches seems to me, on the face of it, and without probably not the right word, but it seems to me too much, particularly if they all say the same thing. And I think you need to consider fairly carefully whether you need all 197.
We're definitely not going to intend to play all those in court. We will go through them. These are that will be narrowed. That was, I believe, meant, and Mr. Jeremy may need to help me here in a minute, but that was meant. That's sort of the universe at the moment, and they're sort of. We will make careful selections. We don't intend to introduce, I'm sure, all 197 of those.